Hello all. Today let us learn how to make sentences in present continuous. See, present continuous we use actually to talk about the activities which is going on at the time of speaking. See, now I am speaking, you are watching, and the birds are flying. So like this means the activities are going on at the time of speaking. So there is a tense formula. Let us learn it first. See, with I we use am, then we use verb, we add ing to that verb. Okay. With he, she, it, we use is, then we use verb, we add ing to verb. This we in present continuous tense we use the verb in ing form. And with we use are, then we use verb, then ing. So this is the tense formula or the structure of the sentence. See, this present continuous sentences are very useful because in day-to-day English, we make lot of sentences in this tense actually. Okay. So let's take examples here. You see here, I am watching TV. Now, right now, I am watching TV. Okay. My friend is also watching TV. How can I say? He is watching TV. With I used am. Watch is a verb. Ing I added. Here, he is watching TV. With he I used is, and watch is a verb, ing added. And there are many friends, and we are all together watching TV. So then, we are watching TV. With we, I used are. Then watch, ing. We are watching TV. So I repeat, I am watching TV. He is watching TV. We are all watching TV. See, this when, right now, at this very moment. Now we are doing it. So that's why I am watching. It is the tense which is used to express the activities which is going on at the time of speaking. Now it is going on. Right. See. I am reading a book. Now I am reading a book. She is reading a book. I am telling to my friend, you are reading a book. Okay. I am, she is, you are. See. I am listening to music. Now, I am playing music in my mobile phone and I am listening it. And my friend is also listening. How can I say? He is listening to music. Then, there are so many people, they are all listening to music. So I can say, they are listening to music. So, I am, he is, they are. Then, what I am doing now? I am working. Okay. Then there is a machine. It is also working. With it, I used is. It is working. There are so many people. Okay, there are my friends. We are all working together. Then I say, we are working. See, I am working. It is working. We are working. Right? See. I am talking to you. Now, at this moment, I am talking to you. Okay? Then, there are two people. Okay? Two persons. Rakesh and Ramesh. Rakesh is talking to Ramesh. Now. Okay? Then, you are talking to me. You are talking to me. So, I am talking. Rakesh is talking. You are talking to me. And one more example. I am swimming in the river. Now, I am swimming in the river. So, Lata means who? She. Instead of pronoun, I used noun here. Lata is swimming in the river. Okay. Then, the children. The children means who? They. Instead of pronoun, I used noun. The children. The children are swimming in the river. So, I am swimming. Lata is swimming. The children are swimming. See, this is how we express. And I am riding a bike. Somebody called me and I said, I am riding a bike now. Okay. And if you are making a sentence with the bike is moving fast. The bike means who? It. Then we are all friends together riding. So we can say, we are riding bikes. We are riding bikes. Then, I'm trying to explain. See now, right now, I'm trying to explain. So my friend is also trying to explain. Who? Sanjay. Sanjay means who? He. Instead of the pronoun, I used noun. Sanjay is trying to explain. Then you are trying to explain. So I am, Sanjay is, you are trying to explain. Then I am speaking in English. See, now, right now, I am speaking in English. My friend Sahana. Sahana is speaking in English. See, Sahana means who? She. Then, there are so many people, they are all speaking in English. I can say, they are speaking in English. You remember, dear students, this tense is, to talk about the activities which is going on at the time of speaking. Okay. And then, I am learning AI. I am learning AI. So, my friend, he is learning AI and the employees are learning AI. See, this what happened. This one sentence is there, no? You are talking about a long period of time. For example, we are learning. We are not learning one day. We are learning for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. So then also you can use it, no problem. Okay. So and so let's take a quick recall. See, this tense is called present continuous. Present continuous actually used to talk about the activities which is going on at the time of speaking. And how to make it, this is positive only, and we will see negative and question in the upcoming videos. Okay. For this, what is tense formula? With I, use am, then use verb, add ing. With he, she, it, you use is, add any verb with ing. Use any verb with ing. With we, you, they, we use are, any verb with ing. So like this, we can use, we can make very easy sentences with this tense. Actually, this is one of the easiest tenses, and we make every day. Okay, sentences, we use every day many sentences in this tense. Okay, practice these sentences. Okay, I hope these examples will give you a clear idea. Okay, a clear idea about present continuous. So just you need to remember that the tense formula. If tense formula, if you remember, so you can make many sentences. You just need to use this. Remember, I with am, he, she, it is, and we, you, they are. Thereafter, you compulsorily you have to use verb in ing form. Okay, that you need to remember. Okay, I hope this short video will be helpful to you to get idea about this tense. And this is only present continuous. Okay, past continuous, future continuous is there, that we will discuss in the next video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Okay, if you really it is helpful to you, like this video, share this video with your friends and others, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video with some more informative video, with some more information regarding this present continuous. Okay, until then, take care. Bye.